Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. My lovely fans, the truth is out. The whole truth is coming out. Not all, now small. Now they go take come aside. May Edochie, the true personality, a true identity, it don't they come aside. Remember, you make us to believe. Remember, you try to make the world to believe that May Edochie is nobody. May Edochie not even get identity. May Edochie is under her. May Edochie na she make her who she be. In short, the reason why May Edochie is excelling is because she's using the surname of the Edochie. That is what Yul Edochie and Juju Ekwensu has been claiming. And because of this, Juju Ekwensu and Yoyo have been saying, drop my surname. Even Yoyo came out to say it publicly that May Edochie should drop his surname. Juju Ekwensu said it. There is nothing they've not done to this woman. There is nothing. I don't feel they explain because my people, if I see make they talk, all of us know. A lot of things what they don't do to May Edochie. They try to humiliate her. They try to bring her down. They try to make people believe say May Edochie is nobody. Even after we come out to talk a lot of things, they still debunk our talk. Say we are lying. These bloggers, they don't know anything. But you say those things what we tell una then, they are all truth and nothing but the truth. May Edochie friends where they follow and go Ebonyi State, their mouth open enough it close. Waiting that they see they shock them. Then they self they tell May Edochie, say May Edochie, you get my door. Fear will not fear you. So all these things you have it. And yet, they show off. My lovely fans, when they get to Ebonyi State, the first lady is with May Edochie, we know that. But when they wanted to meet with the women community, the kind big top women, when they come aside, top women of Ebonyi State, they came. The ones that are ministers, they came. The ones where be say they differ far distance, they all came to support May Edochie. May Edochie friends look and they say, this one not be ordinary and they give May Edochie, what is happening? Now lunch you can't lunch, abi shift ties you can't collect. We never understand. Like we thought we are going to meet with Ebonyi people. Like all these normal people, normal fair way that they do. Normal people, they come. What is all these ministers and all these people? May Edochie not still explain. She called they laugh. He say, say she's a surprise. Until they meet with all these people, all these women wey May Edochie meet up with. Now there, now the price, let's say, with the rest of May Edochie friends, can't they understand again? They can't understand wetin they play. May Edochie father was not just an ordinary Aligwe. May Edochie father is an Aligwe wey carry title. May Edochie father is an Aligwe with name. Let me make example because as I dey talk am so most people fit not still understand. Let me break it down. You know the Adeleke family, Davido family. They were billionaire from day one. They were billionaire. But nobody knows about them. Even their late brother when he buy na billionaire. Papa Davido na billionaire. The governor of Osun State is a billionaire. Even if he is a governor, he is a billionaire. Hey, Auntie Dupe is a billionaire. These are billionaires' family. But nobody ever heard about them. Nobody even know whether Adeleke family they exist for that Nigeria. Not until Davido brought that name out as a celebrity. Now we can't say no, say Adeleke. These people, they are billionaire or they are billionaire. Now people call they say they are billionaire. They have been billionaire for years. Even before Davido was born, the father was already a billionaire. So you see, but then nobody knows about them. It takes Davido to be a celebrity to bring that billionaire Adeleke to become popular. This is exactly the story you are about to hear now. May Edochie is from a well-rich family. But they don't have a musician. They don't have actors. They don't have actress. They don't have celebrity. Their money is a quiet money. They don't make noise. They are all responsible. Why the Edochie, the so-called Edochie name, when they tell me Edochie, say, drop it, drop it, drop it. Hey, compare the Edochie to Aligwe. The Edochie is nothing before the Aligwe. Yes, you like it or not. If you don't like it, you can hug transformer. Juju Ekwe is who fans. Una fit hug transformer. That is your business. When they call the Aligwe, the Edochie name is no area close to that name. Now that they know the truth. And this is what they have been hiding. The reason why you think that Edochie name is more popular is because Pete Edochie was an actor. If you call Pete Edochie name now for all over the world, a lot of people know him because everybody they watch Nollywood. But if you call Hotel Dollar, they'll say we don't know it. Now people within Nigeria go know. But if you don't pass Nigeria, go other places, some people will tell you, say, no, Hotel Dollar, no like that. I don't know. Not be everybody, even for the Nigeria, even know the Hotel Dollar. People who know they use phone call. Go tell the Hotel Dollar, they tell you, say they don't even know. They will tell you they don't know him. There are other billionaires within Nigeria. People don't know them because they don't have celebrity in their family when they bring their name out. So that is how the Aligwe and the Edochie is. If you compare the Edochie to Hotel Dollar now, the Edochie name, they more popular past Hotel Dollar. But that does not mean that they have the quality, they are richer, they have the economic. No, but they are popular because they are artists in their family. Why the Aligwe family, they don't have filmmakers, they don't have social media noise makers. You know, see me Edochie sister has daddy. If na Juju Ekwesu sister get that house, now every day they post them for social media. Every day. But you see the Aligwe, they are very silent. And they are silent with their money. So that is the Edochie and Aligwe. May Edochie papa ne carry weight, carry quality, carry connection, carry everything. So when they reach there, they can see different people, they come. The people who follow me Edochie go, me Edochie friends, they were surprised. What did they see? They surprised them. Not until they started hearing the truth. May Edochie father name. Streets were named after him. Communities are named after him. Many places in Ebonyi State were named after him. They can't surprise. Can they just wake up one morning and carry this my Pangolo face and name it after streets? There must be something that I will do that will make them to name the street after me. Maybe I become billionaire one day by the grace of God. Inshallah. I become a billionaire. Won't they name street after me? They go waste time. They don't go waste time. Or maybe I have a good name, which is better than riches. I have something good I give to the community. Something good I do it to my people. They can name the street after me, true or false. They cannot just wake up one morning and carry any face name after a street. Which streets they don't name after the Edochie? Anyone? No. May Edochie father's name is connection, is money, is wealth. He heavy past the so-called Edochie, one of the cry say make she drop. Aye. They say people will follow, they say me Edochie friends, they shock and they fear me Edochie today. That woman is a silent, humble, graceful woman. That's why God keep on blessing her. That's why God keep on blessing her. My lovely fans, they say, may Edochie papa not small. May Edochie papa is not small. Everything when I tell una for this channel, when people come they talk say, mirror true life story you too talk. I tell una say for this YouTube everything go dey come aside. I think all don dey come aside. They come dey debunk us. We dey go do our research, una come dey debunk us. Today unko, you was trying to hide it. He don't want you people to know that na May Edochie dey feed am. Jingolo, he no want make una know say May Edochie na be the backbone. He want to be the Odogu because May Edochie really made him an Odogu. Yes, May Edochie make him Odogu. That Odogu wey he don claim, he don dey used to that Odogu. Wetin he no know say he don fall. As May Edochie left that marriage, she left with everything that came with her. My lovely fans, they say May Edochie papa no small. People don't go use their eyes see am. Until now, don't they believe wetin we dey talk now? Small, everything when I tell una for this channel, don't they come to pass? Not be me call they talk now. Now people, now I come they repeat wetin I tell una for this channel. Then when I dey talk now they say I dey lie. I tell everybody now, wetin I don't tell una. Now everybody come they talk now. When I tell una say you go thief your children money, una say na lie. Una don't see am. I think people don't they talk now. Everything when I tell una for this channel, na time now it go take. You know why? Because May Edochie no dey talk. Even when you dey lie for May Edochie head, she no dey talk. Because May Edochie dey look you like poor man when he try to help. Poor man when he pick from the gutter. The man never even see money. Now change now he see. The man head big. Today, and so he lose everything. He lost everything. They say May Edochie papa no be small person. The Edochie surname, when they say now May Edochie take become popular, now they favor her. Why not favor you? Abi you, is he not the owner of the name? Why not favor her? Why not favor Juju Ekwensu? Juju Ekwensu don't change her name. They never even thought say announcer. She don't change her name to Yul Edochie. Why the name not favor her? Abi Peter Edochie not born that children. Why the name not favor them? May Edochie might be bearing the surname Edochie. But that name Aligwe na be a connection. If you know, you know. Aligwe na they open the doors. See people when they come because of what? Aligwe daughter is in Ebonyi State. Women of calibers. Quality women. They were all there for May Edochie. Because of who? Because of Aligwe. And not because of Edochie. The Edochie need to thank May Edochie when she tell they answer that their surname. Because their surname is making noise on social media. The Aligwe name is quiet, but it carry quality. So next time, before you tell me Edochie say, oh, drop that surname. Before you tell me Edochie say, oh, drop that surname, do your research. Do your research. When we talk and they say, no, it's not true. May Edochie is nobody. She was selling recharge card. She was selling this. You never see person where come from rich family when they work for bank. No matter the money we get. $10 pikin, you know they sing. You not do music. Even if she not sing that music, she will still live fine. But she was doing music also like every other person. That does not stop her background. Even if May Edochie say all these things, I use her mocker. But that does not stop her from being from a wealthy family. Their eyes don't see her now. This is what Yul Edochie don't want you people to know. He don't want you people to know the real May Edochie. He don't want anybody to know who May Edochie truly is. Number one, he knows if they know, his pride go fall down one. Number two, he dey fear another person will quickly run into May Edochie. This everybody be like Juju Ekwensu. Where any man will just open teeth, go just open leg. They just tell her good morning, go open leg. Any man will open teeth for her, she'll think say na knocking. That be the next thing. No. May Edochie is a wise woman. They say Ebonyi State, me Edochie papa hold things. The man hold property. The man a big name. I've said it before. I've told you people long time ago. All these things you're hearing now. If you're my follower from day one, I've told you people all before. That me Edochie is not from any family. She came from a very wealthy family. Even when she come out, come talk. Now remember, she just tell you, no, I'm not from a rich family. I'm from, just medium class. Why did she say medium class? Medium class. She said medium class because, say, this kind of people, they still they look themselves, say, oh, we need to go higher. After all, my father is not Dangote, so I'm not rich. That is what they think. But the people who follow and go there, they surprise. See, street, not one street, oh, streets were named after allegory. The father is a very popular person. The papa hand wets. Now that name might be me Edochie connection and not the Edochie. If not the Edochie, why then all of them never become who they want to be? My lovely fans, the truth about me Edochie, it all they come aside. It all they come aside small. That truth that you is hiding from you people is about to go down. This is Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you.